All right, let me screen record.
Look at the vibes.
Should I do TikTok or Instagram?
So you're gonna put the video like right here?
Yeah.
Like leave a space right here. Yeah.
We're at I don't know, some park.
Some park. Wait, let me just.
Hey, y'all already know. Y'all already know. There's a bug.
There's a
Get
red
it.
spider.
Ew.
Oh, it became juice.
Oh. There's a lot of aggression in this video, which relates to the amygdala in the brain.
Shout out to Blackpink. What?
Context.
Bless you.
I think I swallowed one.
A spider?
Maybe.
Boy?
Yeah.
Daniel, Buggy, come on. Come on, Buggy. Buggy, come on. Oh, no. What's this? Hi. 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 Buggy. Whoa.
Reflection.
Really?
Yeah.
No. Come on.
Oh,
Wait, where are you? Where is it?
I don't know.
Come on. It's here.
Oh, there it is.
Hi, come on. Where is it now?
I don't know.
Na. We're playing this game. Yeah, if you can like gun.
The APP song. Up the top. How do you sing it?
I don't know that song yet.
Oh. How about the APT song?
A, B, C, D.
No. APT. Up the top.
A, B, C, D, E.
No.
No. What?
The one. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See you tomorrow, but tonight. All you gotta do is just.